सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 109, verse 36. विज्ञानवादो बाह्यार्थम् वैयर्थ्यास्यादिहेति चेत् वैयर्थ्यास्यादिहेति चेत् न हृद्याकारमाधातुम् बाह्यस्यापेक्षितत्वतः. Vidyaranya completed that Anvaya Vyatireka logic in 32 to 35 slokas. In that Anvaya Vyatireka, when we were seeing in the 33 sloka, I felt that students face a little difficult in understanding Anvaya and Vyatireka. Therefore, in 33 shloka, I would like to explain few minutes. Then we go to the next. I said Anvaya Vyatireka means Yat Sattve Yat Sattvam, Yad Abhave Yad Abhavaha. Yat Sattve Yat Sattvam means co-presence. Co-presence. Yad Abhave Yad Abhavaha means co-absence. Vyatireka. First one is Anvaya, co-presence. Second one is Vyatireka, co-absence. In 32, Vidyaranya said, because of this Anvaya Vyatireka, Jiva Srishti Bhavi Sattve Samsara Bhavaha. Jiva Srishti Sattve Samsara Sattvam. Jiva Srishti Abhave Samsara Abhavaha. Anvaya Vyatireka. So it correctly suits to Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. How he showed that Anvaya Vyatireka Dhimayo Jiva Bandhakrit. When he is in waking and dream, there is Jiva Srishti. When we are waking state, there is Jiva Srishti, mental projection. And dream also there is mental projection, Jiva Srishti, Manomaya Srishti. That is why Dukkha is there, Anvaya. In sleep, there is no Mano Srishti. Mano Srishti is not there. You are not creating any projection. You are in deep sleep. Sukha dukkhe nastaha. Since manorajyam abhave, dukkha abhavaha. Vyatireka. Idu illenna adu irukadu. Manorajyam illattinal dukkham illai. Vyatireka. Co-absence. Co-absence. First waking and dream state, co-present. So Jiva Srishtik idu correct irukku. So Jiva Srishti nalada dukkham establish pannitam. Anvayam Vyatireka. 33 shloka, what he says, in Ishvara Srishti there is no dukkham at all. This Anvaya Vyatireka won't work there. Anvaya Vyatireka, co-presence, co-absence will not work. How? It does little presenting is in a different way. Koncha klishtama solrar. See, external world, Ishvara Dvaitam, we have to supply there. External world, Ishvara Dvaitam, Asatyapi cha Bahyarthe Swapnado. Swapnado in dream, Adipadat waking state only. Swapnado, Bahyarthe Asatyapi. In dream, are you knowing the Bahya Prapancha? If you say, because of this world only I have samsara. If you say, in deep dream, you are in dreaming. Swapnadau bahyarthe asatyapi. The external world is not there for a dreamer. The external world of Ishvara Srishti is not there for a dreamer. Still, Swapnado Badhyate Naraha. He is chased by a tiger, he is chased by a lion, a scorpion, snake, everything is seeing. Some floods, some problems, some fire is seeing. If you say only Bahya Prapancha is the cause for Bandha, Angilliye, Mariye Kashtapadrena. Why you are suffering there? If Ishvara Srishti is only cause, Ange could suffer and Irikiye. Apo Anvay illiye, co-presence ille. Ishvara Srishti illatalum kuda, unakku dukham irukku. Inga Anvayam vela pandla. Ennartham, co-presence is not there. When external universe is not there for you also, you are suffering, means co-presence is not there. Co-presence, Anvaya is not there. But still you are suffering. Adinal, Ishvara Srishti is not the cause for samsara. Priyardo. So, we have to supply an adjective there. Bandha karana bhuta bahyarthe abhave api. Ninga bandha karanam external universe you are அப்படியே ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி நல்லதே இல்லைன்னு சொல்றேன் இல்லையோ. bandha karana bhuta ஈஸ்வர பாஹ்யார்த்த அபாவே அபி badhyate naraha. He is bound in the dream because of dream objects. Anvaya is not there. அது இருந்தா இது இருக்கணுமே அண்ணா, அது இல்லாட்டாலும் இது இருக்கு உனக்கு, அதனால அன்வயா doesn't work. புரியறதோ? கொஞ்சம் புரியுற மாதிரி இருக்கு, எல்லாம் டெக்னிக்கல். நெக்ஸ்ட் லைன் பாருங்க. வெத்திரேக திருஷ்டாந்த. இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் வெத்திரேக, செகண்ட் லைன் இஸ் அன்வயா. ஓகே, இங்கே வெத்திரேகம் எந்த ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்டில் பார்க்கணுன்னா ஆப்சன்ஸ் ஆஃப் பாஹ்யார்த்தா. அப்போ வெத்திரேகத்துக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் விட்டேக். ஓகே, வெத்திரேகத்துக்கு அது இல்லாட்டாலும் கூட இது இருக்கேன்னா வெத்திரேகன்னா ஆப்சன்ஸ். Bahyartha abhava is the absence. Bahyartha means external world. Abhava means absent. External world absent is called Vetireka. அது இல்லாட்டம்னா இங்கே எங்கே என்ன இருக்கக்கூடாது, ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி இருக்கக்கூடாது. பட் பத்யதே நரஹா, இங்கே அன்வயம் அங்கே வெத்திரேகம். அப்படி எப்படி? ஸோ வெத்திரேகா டசன்ட் ஒர்க். ஸோ செகண்ட் லைன் சமாதி சுப்தி மூர்ச்சாசு சத்யபி asat asmin satyapi means bahya prapancha satve api. Bahya prapancha is there when a person is fainted. External world is there or not? External world is there. When person is in samadhi, external world is there. When person is sleeping, external world is there. For that, how you have to apply bandha karana bhuta bahyartha bhave api and supply பண்ணணும். bandha karani bhuta bahyartha bhave api. தூங்குறவனுக்கு experientially world is not available, but factually world இருக்கா இல்லையா? Factually world is there. but world இருக்கும் போது அவனுக்கு துக்கம் வரணுமே, வரலையே. The one who is sleeping, he is sleeping. For him, factual external world is there or not? Irukku. But experientially is absent. Experientially only absent. Actually world is there. For samadhi person, for murcha and for deep sleep person, external world is there. That's what he says. Samadhi supti murchasu asmin satyapi. bandhakarani bhuta bahyartha prapancha satve api bahye na badhyate sushuptau. Na badhyate means there is no samsara, there is no dukkha. So anvaya irka, anvayam illa. Now when world is there but this person is not suffering, adu irundha idu irukkume. So anvaya also doesn't work. Even the world is there, but he is not suffering because Jiva Srishti is not there. What is the meaning here? Jiva Srishti alone is the cause for samsara he want to establish. That is the meaning here. That's klishta kalpana. Okay, that's sharpening our brain. Okay, okay. Badhyate naraha. Naraha you have to supply. Sushuptau badhyate. Sushuptau na badhyate. Bahya prapancham satyapi. Bandhakarani bhuta bahyarthe bhavi api. Sushuptau na badhyate naraha. Karanam kim jiva srishtihi nasti. In dream, actually for you, the bahya world is not, you are not experiencing bahya world, but still you are suffering. Therefore, jiva srishti alone is the cause. So, anvaya vitareka doesn't work here. Konjam purinjanu madri irukkilla podum. Adi podum. Okay. Last class, you were all blinking. I saw this sloka when I was teaching. Konja confusion ada irukkum. Okay. Paravalle. Okay. Now, we go to this sloka, 36th sloka. Vijnanavadau bahyartha vaiyarthyat syat iha iti chet. According to Buddhism, what we say, the external world, what we are telling Vedantin, external world is not the cause for samsara, for dukkham. Our own manorajyam is the cause for dukkham. This is what our standpoint. The Purvapakshi here is asking, see, external world is not useful. It's not giving you sukha dukkha. Sukha dukkha are only because of your manorajyam. Then, what is the use of external world? Useless. External world is useless. Vaiyarthyam. Vaiyarthyam means what? Vyarthasya bhavaha vaiyarthyam. Vridha. Vridhajanyam vyartham. It is vridha, useless. Just as marriage water is useful. Marriage water is useful? No. Vyartham is no use. Similarly, your world is also not useful because you are telling world is not giving sukha dukkha. Purvapakshi asking us. Purvapakshi is asking us. Oh Vedanti, for you, world is not the cause for sukha dukkha. Your mind alone is the cause for sukha dukkha. Yes, just as the mirage water is not useful, world is not useful. Mirage water is pratibhasika satyam, world is also pratibhasika satyam. Mirage water is created by your mind, pratibhasika satyam projected by you, even though it is not there. Similarly, the whole world is also projected by the mind, pratibhasika satyam. He is comparing like that. அதெல்லாம் கிடையாதுங்க. அதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் we have to think over what is the background of the Purvapakshi's mind. புரியுறது இல்லையோ? வையர்த்தியம். This world is not giving sukha dukkha. அப்போ எதுக்காக இந்த யூனிவர்ஸ்? Either it has to give pleasure or it has to give sorrow. You are telling it is not giving sorrow, it is not giving sukha. Then what? It is like a marriage water, I say. Therefore, it is pratibhasika satyam. It is projected by me. Therefore, it is not Ishvara Srishti. This is the Purvapakshi's standpoint. அப்போ புத்திஸ்டுக்கு வேதாந்தினிக்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்? புத்திஸ்டுக்கு Buddhist, according to Buddhist world is pratibhasika satyam. It is like a marriage water projected by the mind. இப்போ நம்மமும் அதே சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கேன்னா வையர்த்தியம் ஸ்யாத் பாஹ்யார்த்த வையர்த்தியாம் Vijnanavadaha Buddhism, Yogachara Buddhism. No, we have objection. We are not like Buddhists. What we said, Hridyakaram adhatum bahyasya apekshitatvatah bahyasya, bahya prapanchasya Ishvara srishtadvaitam apekshitatvatah. You require, because of the Ishvara Srishti is required to have that Hridi Adhatum, Hridi Akaram Adhatum. Even for your projection, mental projection, you require Ishvara Srishti. Without Ishvara Srishti, how can you do projection? Something must be there to project. No? Sthano Purushaha. How can I project without something there? Sthanu must be there. A stump, wood stump must be there to project. Adi illamale project panna mudiyuma? Inna? Without rope, can you project the snake? Without rope, can you project snake? So snake is my mind projection. Hey, snake project பண்றதுக்கு அங்க ஒன்னு இருக்கணும் அப்பா. அது என்னன்னா rope இருக்கணும். rope இல்லாமல நீங்க எப்படி பண்ண முடியும் projection? Therefore, projection பண்றதுக்கு கூட ஒன்னு இருக்கணும் அங்க ஆதாரம். அதே மாதிரி ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்ட துவைத்தம் is there for you to project in your mind. ரித்தி ஆகாரம் ஆதாத்தும் बाह्यस्य अपेक्षितत्वतः बाह्य ईश्वर सृष्ट द्वैत प्रपंच is required for you even to do mental projection. This is the answering. Tirpi comes illille ईश्वर सृष्ट द्वैतम illamale na project pandren. I project na. How you project? You have to Vidyaranya expands that. What is that? A poor pakshi, he just thinks in his mind. There is a poor pakshi. Suppose he can say, without external Ishvara Srishti, projection is possible by my vasana. Vasana. By vasanas, impressions, mental impressions, I can project. Vasanas I can project. So we accept, okay, Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam is not there outside. Your Vasana only project. Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam is not there, you are telling. What we said, last class I gave the answer. Our answer you have to understand. World is not mental projection, it is a projection of Atma. It is Vyavaharika Prapancham Asti. It is not a projection. It is pramanam. Pratyaksha pramanam is available for Vyavaharika Prapancha. Therefore, Vyavaharika Prapancham Asti. It is not projected by the mind. It is projected by the consciousness. That is our standpoint. Okay? Having said this, what he says, Purvapakshi, Vasanas are only the cause for the projection, not external universe. Bahya prapancha apekshitaha na avasyakam, only your vasanas. That vasana comes because of its own previous vasana. That vasana because of previous vasana, like that. Which vasana is because of previous vasana. His vasana is called for projection. Is his contention. Vasanas are only thing. If you say vasana only, pratyaksha pramanam, world will become redundant. Pratyaksha pramanam, when you are seeing the world, what will happen to the pramanam? That's what he is talking here. Another Purvapakshi also comes in the middle. Second line Purvapakshi. First line of previous Purvapakshi negation. Adi negation pandrakulla second Purvapakshi he brings in the second line. Vaiyartyamastu va bāhyam na vārayitum ishmahe prayojanam apekshante na mananiti stitihi. Now, Vidyaranya says, okay, let there be nishprayojanam in the world. Vaiyarthya means nishprayojanam. There is no prayojanam at all. Astu. Okay, I accept. Na bāhyam vaiyarthyam astu. Na illa bāhyam vaiyarthyam astu. Let there be vyarthata or vaiyarthyam in the external world. Purvapakshi says external world is useless because it is not giving any sukha, dukkha. As though we are accepting him for some time. Astu nama, vaiyarthyam astu. Let there be no use of utility in the external world. మెచ్చుకోలేమే పర్వాలే అన్నా. నో యూటిలిటీ. న వారయితుం ఈష్మహే. బట్ ఇట్స్ వ్యావహారిక సత్యత్వం న వారయితుం ఈష్మహే. వీఆర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు negate the external world. Okay, we are answering. We are not able to negate the vyavaharika prapancha. Forget about paramarthikam. Okay, don't get confused. We are not talking about paramarthikam here. We are talking about only vyavaharikam. Vyavaharika world is there or not? Vyavaharically interacting world is there or not? We are not asking paramarthically, not absolutely. Husband is there or not? Cooking is there or not? Is there. Wife is there, children are there, everything is there. Interaction panni irko. How can you say it is not there? So vyavaharically, vyavaharika prapancha asti. Vyavaharika satyatvam vyavaharika prapanche asti. So you cannot say there is no world. Vyavaharika prapancha is not there. You cannot say. Because it is useless, therefore I say it is not there. Because it is useless, therefore world is not there, you cannot say, because pratyaksha pramanam asti. What do you mean by pramanam? Pramanam is that which reveals a unique object, unique thing in the world. It is reveals. It cannot be negated by any other pramanam. What is the pramanam? Definition of pramanam, means of knowledge. Prama karanam pramanam. Courtla pramanam பண்ணுவா அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. ஓகே, கோர்ட்டில் பிரமாணம் பண்ணுவா பகவத்கீதை கையில் வச்சுண்டு, அந்த பிரமாணம் இல்லை நம்ம சொல்கிறது. இங்கே பிரமாணம்னா மீன்ஸ் ஆஃப் நாலேஜ். ஏன் அது மீன்ஸ் ஆஃப் நாலேஜ்னு ஏன் சொல்கிறோன்னா, பிரமான்னா ஞானம், கரணம்னா இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட். ஞானம் கொடுக்குற ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டுக்கு பிரமாணம்னு பேர். நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். பிரமா என்ன ஞானம், ஞானம் கொடுக்கறதுக்காக ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். அந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டுக்கு பேர் பிரமாணம்னு பேர். ஓகே, பிரமா ஞானம், பிரமா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஞானம் ஆர் நாலேஜ். கரணம் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட். ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டுக்கு ஒரு சாதனம்னு பேர். இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டுக்கு என்ன பேர்? சாதனம். அரவாமணி ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டு. మరి என்ன சொல்கிறது, அப்படி மாதிரி சொன்னால் தான் புரியும். நைஃபு ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டு, ஸ்க்ரூ ட்ரைவர் ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டு, சிசர்ஸ் ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டு, ஒரு கரணம் அது. isn't it? We use it. So to get gnanam we use a karanam. Therefore it is called pramanam. Pramakaranam pramanam. அப்பா, பிரமாணனுக்கு என்ன பிரமாணம்னு புரியறதில்ல. Now see this, eyes are pramanam. Eyes are pramanam. Ears are pramanam. Nose is pramanam. Tongue is pramanam. Skin is pramanam. Eyes are giving rupa gnanam. Gnanam. Gnanam means prama. So they are called pramanam. Varna gnana praptyartham, rupa gnana praptyartham pramanam chakshuhu. The flower, when I see this flower, rupam, varna, color. You are getting knowledge, color, varna gnanam, rupa gnanam. It is not clip, it is flower. Rupa gnanam you have got, form knowledge, color knowledge. These two you have got. That knowledge is called prama. How you got it? Through your ears or eyes? Through your eyes. நான் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கு. இப்படின்னு சொன்னால் காதுக்கு போயிடும். Through my eyes. Pushpa gnanam. Pushpam varna gnanam. Color gnanam. How I got? Through eyes. So eyes are called what? Pramanam. They have given me the prama. Prama of what? Flower. Flower, rupam, flower, color. Flower color, flower form, I got the knowledge, prama, through the eyes, the karanams. These karanams too are called pramanam. This is pramanathinude lakshanam. It reveals an object. Second lakshanam of pramanam is uniquely it is reveals. It cannot be revealed by another pramanam. Second point. Pramanam is that which reveals the object. First. Number one. Point number two is that knowledge cannot be negated by other pramanam. Ear cannot say and come and say, this is not flower. Ear cannot come and say. Tongue cannot come and say, this color is not this or that. Tongue cannot say. Nose cannot say, this is not rose flower. Because other pramanams cannot negate or prove. Second point. Other pramanams, ears or tongue or nose cannot come and prove this is a flower or not this is a flower. They cannot prove. They cannot enter that field. Similarly, eyes cannot enter the smell. What is the smell of this flower? Nalla chonniye, and the rose flower, Rupam and Varna it has received. Now, eyes can prove the smell of this flower or disprove. Who can prove and disprove the smell of this flower? Only one pramana. Gandha, no? This pramana. Nose. Gandha pramana. No one can, other sense organs can prove or disprove. This is called uniqueness of a pramanam. Pramanam is that which reveals an object, and after that revealing object, it cannot, that knowledge, what you receive through that pramanam cannot be proved or negated by any other pramanam is called pramanam. That is called pramanam. No other sense organ can enter the field. Sound field, eyes cannot enter, tongue cannot enter. Smell field, ears cannot enter, tongue cannot enter, eyes cannot enter. Touch field, all other four cannot enter. That is the uniqueness of pramanam. No one can negate. That's why science cannot negate or prove. Science is not a pramanam to prove or to disprove God or Atma or heaven or any other Vedic statements. Science is not a pramanam. Just as your pramanams cannot enter their other field, science cannot enter. So, pramananiki or definition irukka. What is that definition? Anadhigata, abadhita, saprayojana, arthabodhakam pramanam. Purva Mimamsaka gives this definition. Pramanam. What do you mean by the means of knowledge? Pramanam means means of knowledge. Means what? Anadhigata. You cannot know through any other pramanam. Pramanam must be that it must reveal an object. It cannot be known through any other pramanam. Anadhigata. Adhigatam anna knowing. Na adhigatam, anadhigatam. I explained you now. Eyes only can know the form and color. That form and color cannot be known by any other sense organs. So anadhigata. This is uniqueness to the only eyes. Forms and colors can be known only to the eyes. It is called uniqueness. Cannot be known by another pramanams. Therefore, anadhigata. Abadhita. Cannot be negated by other pramanams. What is proved by eyes cannot be negated by the other ears, nose or tongue. Abadhitam. Neither proved nor disproved. Abadhitam. Then third point, saprayojanam. Saprayojanam, there must be a benefit. Prayojanam irukkanam. There must be an utility. There must be a utility. Prayojanam irukkanam. Saprayojanam arthabodhakam. That object to be revealed in this manner. It cannot be known by any other pramanam. Anadhigatam. It cannot be disproved by any other pramanam. And it must be useful also. This is the Purva Mimamsaka's definition of pramanam. Anadhigata, abadhita, సప్రయోజన అర్థబోధకం ప్రమాణం అన్నారు. இப்போ உங்கள் ஐஸ் ஆர் பிரமாணம், இயர்ஸ் ஆர் பிரமாணம், நோஸ் இஸ் பிரமாணம், டங் இஸ் பிரமாணம். என்ன டங் only knows the taste. It proves the taste. Anadhigatam means by other organs it cannot be known the taste. Anadhigatam. Abhadhitam, other organs cannot disprove. Tongue says this is Rasagulla. Ears cannot come and say this is not Rasagulla. Ears cannot enter. Nose cannot enter there. Eyes cannot enter that field to disprove or to prove. Anadhigatam, abhadhitam, saprayojanam. So there is a prayojanam. But we won't accept this definition. இது பூர்வ மீமாம்சகா டெஃபினேஷன் நல்லா இருக்கு கேட்கறதுக்கு இல்லையா? பட் வி டோன்ட் ஆக்செப்ட். ஏன்னா லுக் இன் டு த ஸ்லோகா. பிரயோஜனம் அபேக்ஷந்தே. பிரமாணம்னா சி வி ஆர் டெல்லிங் வேர் ஃப்ரம் வி ஆர் கம்மிங். இஃப் யூ சே த வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் நாட் கிவிங் சுகான்னு துக்கான்னு நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி தான் சுகதுக்கம் கொடுக்கறது. வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் நாட் கிவிங் சுகதுக்கா. Then Purva Pakshi is attacked as if you say world is not giving Sukha Dukkha, it is useless. Vayarthyam. It is useless. Appa namma enna sonnam? Let it there be uselessness. Who asked? Who need that utility of the world? And namu sollitom. Avanu tappichitom. We have escaped from him. What is the necessity of having utility in the world? Let there be Vayarthyam. Avan escape pannittu vanda Purva Mimamsaka pudichitan. How can you say Veda Pramanam is Veda Pramanam Anadhigatam Abadhitam Saprayojanam Arthabodhakam Veda Pramanam. Veda is also one Pramanam. Just like your other Pramanams, Veda is also another Pramanam. If you say your world is useless, Pratyaksha Pramanam, world is there, it is useless. If you say Pratyaksha Pramanam, the saprayojanam, if you don't accept, vayarthyam, if you say, saprayojanam anna puriyardo? Opposite ki vyartham. Vayarthyanik opposite saprayojanam. Saprayojanik opposite vayarthyam. Usefulness, uselessness. Vayarthyam anna useless. Saprayojanam anna useful. First line lanemo what we said, let there be no utility in the world. We have escaped from him. Now Purva Mimamsaka come and attacks. You accept Veda Pramanam, Vedantin, then how can you say there is no utility in the world when eyes are seeing the world, your Pramanams are accepting and experiencing the world, Vyavaharika Prapancha. How can you say there is no utility? Appo Saprayojanam angar Pramanathinude lakshaname poyidume enna. Saprayojanam angar lakshanam irukka Pramanathila. அது போயிடுமே. If you won't accept that saprayojanam, you are not accepting even Veda Pramanam. For that we say we don't accept that definition. Without that also Veda will not be disturbed. அந்த சப்ரயோஜனம்ங்கிற பிரமாண டெஃபினேஷன் இல்லாமலே கூட வேதம் அப்படியே இருக்கும். வேதத்துக்கு ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லைன்னா. ஏன்னா the utility cannot disprove the pramanam. The utility cannot prove the pramanam validity. The validity of pramanam cannot be proved by the utility. Without utility also knowledge is possible. Knowledge is possible. Prayojanam apekshante iti pramanani na prayojanam apekshante. அந்த சூத்திரம் மனசில் வச்சுன்னு சொல்கிறார். ஆம்னாயஸ்ய கிரியார்த்தத்வாத் அனர்த்தக்கியம் அததர்த்தானாம். பிரம்மசூத்ரால we saw in previous chapters, and he says saprayojanam is one of the definition of pramanam. Therefore pratyaksha pramanam, we say pratyaksha pramanam, we are talking that prayojanam must be there. Na pramanani prayojanam napekshante. Vidyaranya's answer. Pramanams need not have the prayojanam. Not necessary. They reveal the object. They reveal the object, that's all. They give the jnanam and go away. and their benefit and all, they need not bother. For that, there are a lot of examples they give. Suppose we see this wall, eyes are seeing the wall. You get what knowledge? Wall knowledge. Jnana vandach. You have got the jnana? Wall jnana. Wall knowledge. Wall anna Tamil wall illa. English knowledge you have got. There is a crack on the wall. That jnanam also you have got. Is there any prayojana if you know the wall there is a crack? There is some crack. Is there any prayojana for that? Or there is a dot is there? There is a something dot is there. Is there any prayojana because of that? There is some hole is there on the wall. Is there any prayojana? Is there any prayojana? No prayojana. But what you have got only knowledge. Your eyes have given knowledge or not? By knowing there is a crack or there is a hole, there is a black mark on the wall, there is no prayojanam. By knowing it, there is no utility. Idu Purilanna innonnu solluvar. Example, jocularly, Swamiji gives another example. Suppose a bald-headed person sees a comb. Bald-headed person, அங்கே ஒரு கோம்பு இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துட்டான். கோம்பு. He got the knowledge of the comb. அந்த கோம்புட ஞானம் வந்ததா இல்லையா? Is it useful for him? Not useful. But that ஞானம், கோம்பு ஞானம் வருது. So, without utility of that comb also, he has got the knowledge of that comb. அதனால பிரயோஜனம் இருக்குன்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. ஞானம் வரத்துக்கு பிரயோஜனம் தேவையில்லை. அதுதான் பிரமாணானி பிரயோஜனம் ந அபேக்ஷந்தே. பிரமாணானி பிரயோஜனம் ந அபேக்ஷந்தே. That is this condition, sthitihi. You need not worry about the pramanam will become apramanam. ஆகுமே நினைக்க வேண்டாம். ஐயோயோ இந்த கோம்பு எனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இல்லை, அப்போ இந்த கண்ணு பிரமாணம் ஆகாமலே போயிடுமா? கண்ணு பிரமாணம் ஆகாமலே போகாது. கண்ணுக்கு giving the knowledge of that is a comb, but it is not useful. அந்த சப்பிரயோஜனம் இல்லைன்னு చెప్పి அது கோம்பு ஆகாமலே போயிடுமா? என்ன சொல்றது? அது மாதிரி எல்லாமே நிறைய விஷயங்கள். You can see that so many things are there. So Purva Mimamsakas answer we won't accept. So eyes are revealing just that. That's all. See, a person, diabetes person who is having, இன்னொரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்குறேன். He should not eat sweets. அங்கே எல்லாம் ரசகுல்லா லட்டு எல்லாம் பார்த்த உடனே ஞானம் வந்ததா இல்லையா? என்ன ஞானம்? ரசகுல்லா லட்டு ஜாங்கிரி ஜிலேபி எல்லாமே வந்தது. வந்த உடனே அவனுக்கு ஒன்றுமே பிரயோஜனம் இல்லை. ஒன்றுமே சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. He cannot enjoy the laddu, jangri, gulab jam, everything. But knowledge is there. There is no prayojanam for him. Because he should not eat. கிட்ட கூட போகக்கூடாது. ஏற்கனவே சுகர் ஹை, பிபி ஹையில் இருக்க சுகரு. He no use at all. Since they are not useful to him, and சொல்லி eyes can report the knowledge of those items or not. Eyes cannot function. If this person is diabetic, therefore I should not give knowledge of this laddu, rasgulla and sollum eyes. Inna? How difficult is the Purva Mimamsaka statement, so powerful statement. Very important statement. This line is very important. Pramanani, Veda Pramanam va, Vyavaharika Pramanam va, any Pramanam is a Pramanam. Prayojanam na apekshante iti sthitihi. This is what our standpoint. Clear now? Namak puriyadhu, avanukku puriyaliye? Next slok. Therefore, what is the conclusion here? Conclusion is this. Jiva Dvaitam alone is the cause for samsara. Not Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam. So, Pramanani Prayojanam na apekshante. The definition of Pramanam is Anadigata Abadhita Uttikare Saprayojana Arthabodakam Venda Teva Illamale Gnanam Kudukarade. External world is vyavahar. Ipo edukka idella kada Vyavaharika prapancha, even though it is not useful, it is there. Pratyaksha pramanena, I am experiencing the world. Pratyaksha pramanena, Vyavaharika prapancha, I am experiencing, I am getting the knowledge of the Vyavaharika prapancha. It is vyartham. Even though it is vyartham, useless, can it be unreal? It cannot be unreal. It is Vyavaharically real. That established in the line. Even though external world is useless to give sukha dukkha, you cannot say it is unreal. It is vyavaharically real. Next shloka. Now with this Jiva Srishta Dvaitam topic is over. Now he is entering a new topic, 38 onwards up to 66. This is the main topic of this chapter. Bandhaschin manasam dvaitam stannirodhena shamyati abhyased yogamevatah Brahmajnanena kim vada. Another Purva Pakshi comes and gives a suggestion. Just like we give suggestion, no? Unasked suggestions. Like that, persons they come and give suggestions. Hey Siddhanti, Vedanti, you are telling Mano Rajyam. That means Mano Vritti. Your own thoughts are the cause for Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. So, Jiva Srishta Dvaitam alone is called Samsara Karanam, Dukkha Karanam. Jiva Srishta Dvaitam is a Samsara Dukkha Karanam, not the world you have established. Okay? Now, you have to, what you are trying, you are teaching Vedanta, you are telling they have to get Brahma Jnanam to come out of Jiva Srishta Dvaitam because it is Samsara Karanam. What I want to say, this yoga philosopher, he comes and say, Jiva Srishta Dvaitam is in the form of vritti, Mano Vritti. Mano Rajyanla Jiva Srishti. So, and the Jiva Srishti is in the form of vritti Rupam Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. Appadane Manasanna Vritti. Vritti enna thought. So whole Jiva Srishta Dvaitam is in the form of thought. Therefore, samsara is because of Vritti Rupa Manorajyam. Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. That Vritti you can stop. Samsara will be stopped. Dukkha will be stopped. Therefore, you stop the Vritti. I will teach you yoga. Yogaha chitta vritti nirodhaha. Go to dhyanam, go to samadhi, sit in samadhi, stop your mind, stop your thought. Tell me where is Jiva Srishta Dvaitam? Jiva Srishta Dvaitam is Manorajyam. Manorajyam means mind landa vardi velila illan chonned. Unnude thoughts the in the Srishti sukhathige dukhathige karanamani vilindi sollirukken idavarku. If on the Jiva Srishta Dvaitam which is in the form of vritti, and the vritti dane karanam dukkhatiki, stop the vritti. Science is there. What science? Yoga science is there. First sutra itself what? Yogaha chitta vritti nirodhaha. Stop your mind. Vrittis. Once you stop your mind, the vrittis, and the vritti caused sukha, dukkha, Jiva Srishta Dvaitam also will be stopped. Then there is no samsara, there is no dukkha. Therefore what? Sit in samadhi. Look into the sloka. Manasam Dvaitam bandhaha chet tan nirodhena shamyate. Manasam Dvaitam bandhaha. Manasam na vritti rupa dvaitam. Aneka vritti rupa dvaitam. Then convert into eka vritti to avritti. Aneka vritti dane karanam. Lot of problems are only mental agitations, no? That is why yoga philosophy is the Vedanta Aithipo. Purapakshi Vande Siddhanta Aitam. Yoga philosophy teaching is so popular everywhere. Mano Nigraha, Manas Vande, Appriye stop. Nirodham Panda, control Panda, no thoughts. Thoughts Varamala Irka Yenna Pandana. Thoughts Varamala Irka Yenna Pandana Swami, Samadhila Ukaran Solita Yogi. So Manasam Dvaitam only Samsara Karanam. Manasam Dvaitam only is Dukkha Karanam, Sukha Karanam. So Manasam Dvaitam Bandhaha Tan Nirodhena Shamyate. And the Manasam Dvaitani Tan Nirodham Panna. Manasam Dvaitam is Vritti Rupam. Vrittin stop Panna. Eppadi stop Panna? Sit in meditation. Over. Sit in meditation, go to Samadhi. How long? As long as you want. Lifelong. Hey, we ask them. He's telling second line also. We give answer in the next shloka. He gives a suggestion. How na? Abhyaset yogameva ataha. Therefore, since your mind alone is the cause for samsara, mind is nothing but vritti rupam, thought form. Therefore, abhyaset yogam. Practice your Ashtanga yoga. Wednesday class is there 10:15 to 11:15. I don't teach that, okay. I teach okay. Abhyaset yogam abhyaset. Kim brahma jnanena? Why brahma jnanam? Kim vada? Tell me, what is the use of brahma jnanam? What is the use of studying prasthanatrayam? What is the use of Puriyamale? First of all, Brahma Jnanam cannot, it is not possible. Brahma Jnanam is very difficult. It is not possible. I interview. He is standing near the door. He will interview now. And the Swami Nama சொன்னது ஏதாவது புரிஞ்சதா நான் சொன்னேன் அதுக்கு தான் அது வேதாந்தம் நமக்கு ஒத்துக்காது நமக்கு லாயக்கு இல்லை நான் சொன்னது பண்ணுங்கோ நல்லா என்னென்ன யோகா அபியாசம் பண்ணுங்கோன்னார் விழுந்து என்னமோ பிரக்ரியான்னு சொல்லுவா பஞ்சபூத்தான்னு சொல்லுவான் புரியாத அன்வயம்னா வெதிரேகம்னா அன்வய வெதிரேகாபியாம்னு சொல்லுவா அனதிகதா அபாதிதா இதெல்லாம் தேவையாகாது பிரம்மஜானேன கிம் வத அன்னார். So it is not possible. First reason he gives for Jiva Dvaitam, Advaita Jnanam is not required. Advaita Jnanam. நம்ம என்ன அடிக்கிறோம் இந்த கிளாஸ்ல இருக்காது. Advaita Jnanam alone gives moksha, dukkha nivritti சொல்றோம். He says Advaita Jnanam is not required to stop Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. That's the first. Advaita Jnanam is not required for Jiva Srishta Dvaita Nivrittihi. நம்ம என்ன சொன்னோம் Jiva Srishta Dvaita Nivrittihi eva dukkha nivritti enu சொன்னோம். So Jiva Srishta Dvaita Nivrityartham Advaita Jnanam is not required. First point he says. Second point he says, first of all Advaita Jnanam is not possible. It is very difficult, it is not possible. Purapakshi says. Abhyasa yogena ataha yogam. Krishna சொன்ன அபியாசம் இது வேறு ஓகே அபியசேத் யோகம் அத்தஹா பிரம்மஜானேன கிம் வதாமி ஐ வில் டெல் யூ கிம் வதன்னா ஐ வில் டெல் யூ வாட் இஸ் பிரம்மஜானேன. he is going to establish brahmajnanena eva jiva srishtadvaita nivritti. Next shloka 39. तात्कालिकद्वैता शान्तौ अप्यागामि जनिक्षयः ब्रह्मज्ञानं विना न स्यात् इति वेदान्तडिण्डिमः. अद्वैत ज्ञानेन एव जीवसृष्टद्वैत निवृत्तिः जीवसृष्टद्वैत निवृत्ति द्वारा एव संसार निवृत्तिः. He is going to establish up to 66th shloka, almost last. He is asking that person, yoga philosopher, you are telling me samadhi, nirvikalpaka samadhi for chitta vritti nirodha, which chitta vritti cause for jiva srishtadvaitam, how long you sit? Tatkalikam. It is only temporary. Tatkalikam means tatkale bhavam tatkalikam. How long can you sit in samadhi? How long can you sit in samadhi? Once you wake up again, you come out, everything is available. Samsara is available. You cannot sit lifelong, isn't it? You cannot sit lifelong. Suppose you say, I sit lifelong. I sit lifelong. He says, what about your sanchita karma? Next birth you will get. Next birth you will get sanchita karma. What will happen to that? Can you destroy the sanchita karma by samadhi abhyasa? You may temporarily suspend the jiva srishtadvaitam. That is not the permanent solution. Idi theriyamale nariya per because of mind only this is cause. Only sit quietly. Stop your mind. Ipude blank look da. Enna na yoga abhyasam pandren. Illa blank look. People, they are misleading the people. And they are telling this is Vedanta teaching. That is why Shankaracharya in Aparokshanubhuti, he just blasts like anything. All Ashtanga Yoga he puts in a different meaning. Full different meaning he gives. Yoga vannadi waste da. Ashtanga Yoga chumma body asana pranayama koncham varaku pannu adalaku over anna. Adikku veda poha ade melanna. Tatkalikam Dvaita Shantau. Dvaita Shanti na Jiva Srishta Dvaita Shanti Tatkalikam. When as long as you are in Samadhi. Api Agami Janikshayaha. Agami means here not Agami karma. Agami means future. Future samsara. Janikshayaha, absence of birth. Of future samsara tatkalika dvaita shantau api agami janikshaya, future samsara birth will continue. No, this is tatkalikam samadhi. Again samsara birth, that called jiva srishtadvaitam, birth will take place. Brahmajnana vina nasyat. Brahmajnanam vina, without Brahman knowledge, without atmajnanam. Nasyat, kim nasyat, dvaita srishti nasaha. Jiva srishta dvaita mithyatva nischayan nasham. Only Brahmajnanena eva. Iti Vedanta dindimaha. This is the proclamation. Dindimana drum, period drum. And the villages lo Raja Kalathila period drum vechittu Dandora panduvane declaration. Vidyaranya says, this is the declaration of Vedanta. This is the declaration of Vedanta Dindima. Brahmajnanena eva. There is no other sadhana. Therefore, next class you have to study Panchadashi only.